Okay. This is what is referred to as friction tape. I like using this stuff. Once I repaired the plug, I put some liquid electrical tape on there to kind of hold everything in place. Extra level of protection for against the weather elements, whatever. Okay. Looks like electrical tape, but this is cloth tape. It's normally very sticky. This stuff there's not much left on this roll, so it's kind of not as sticky as normal. Look, that heater's getting hot on my leg. But it's freezing out here right now. Okay, and also this particular plug, out of all the plugs I've repaired, this was one of the most difficult ones to repair. Pretty much all the terminals I've ever taken out of a plug come out from the back. So you take them out, you know, they pull out this way. These actually pulled out this way, but you can't really tell just by looking at them right off the bat. You have to really, like, unless you know about these or unless you've learned about them through some kind of training program or whatever, which I haven't. I have to teach myself everything. So this was one of the most difficult plugs to repair. I finally got it. Man, it was a pain in the butt though. Anyway, I'll get some more friction tape. What I'll do is I've got the wires on the car ready. Okay, now I'm going to put the wires back together and solder them, and then I've got, you can see my marine heat shrink tube here, which after I solder them, I'll put this over there and melt it, and they'll shrink down, and it's got adhesive to keep the elements out. And then after I'm done with that, I'll take friction tape and wrap the whole thing in friction tape, and then the repair will be complete. Alright, that's it.